Hi everyone and welcome to Masterclass. Today is all about protecting your camper from corrosion. If you're like me and you like to tow your camper up and down the beach or camp by the seaside, corrosion is something that you'll be used to. All metal will corrode in some way, and when we build camper trailers we use a lot of 8.8 grade bolts that are zinc plated. Zinc plating isn't the best corrosion inhibitor around, and sometimes we need to give it a bit of help. Again, my favourite product, Lanotec. This thing is absolutely fantastic for doing the job. Now, if I'm preparing my camper to get up the beach, camp near the beach, I'll grab this stuff and I'll start spraying the zinc plated bolts, particularly bolts like those holding your jockey wheel on, the hitch bolts, the bolts on the boat rack, they're 8.8 grade, so are the bolts that secure the gas struts into the body of the camper trailer. All of those could do with a little bit extra protection from this. When we drive up and down the beach, it's not uncommon for salt water to get into the chassis. Now, if you've got a trailer that's got a hot dip galvanised chassis, at the weld points where the steel tubes are joined together, there'll be little relief holes that lead inside to the chassis. They're there so that molten zinc can get inside the chassis when it's hot dip. Also, it allows air to escape so the tube doesn't explode when it's put into the bath. When you get home and you've cleaned your trailer down and you've stuck the hose up into those little holes in the chassis and cleaned all the sand and salt and whatnot out of it, you can get your Lanotec, put the little nozzle in and spray Lanotec inside the chassis. Added protection. You can't have too much protection against corrosion because we all want our camper trailers and caravans to last us a lifetime. So don't be lazy, grab yourself some Lanotec and regularly give your trailer some love with it. Make sure it's not going to rust, so in years time when you sell it, you'll get more money back for it to upgrade to a new one, save you changing bolts. There's just miles and miles of advantages in it. For more great tips and tricks, get over to our website, check out the Masterclass series and follow us on Facebook for the regular updates.